The road not taken by Robert Frost. Two roads diverged in a yellow wood, and sorry, I could not travel both and be one traveler. Long I stood and looked down one as far as I could to where it bent in the undergrowth. Then took the other as just as fair, and having perhaps the better claim, because it was grassy and one to wear, thought as for that passing there had warned them, really about the same. And both that morning equal lay in leaves, no step had trodden black. Oh, I kept the first for another day, yet knowing how ways leads on to the ways, and I doubt if I should come back again. I shall be telling this with a sigh. Some are aged and aged hence. Two roads diverged in a wood, and I took the one less traveled by, and this made all the difference.